Hi, we will talk today about the IPSEC VPN, but the side-to-side VPN in a checkpoint. So I have what the setup over there, over here, one branch office gateway, the remote one, and the branch office PC I have taken, and this side I have the HO gateway, head office gateway, and you as per deployment setting uh, SMS is there and console is there here. So I have already installed it all the things. So I will just check the lookout like what I have done the changes. So kinds of short brief. I'm going to console. So this is my HO gateway IP 192.168.1.1.254, and this is my SMS server. So I will just like to tell which port is connected to where. So you can see Ethernet 0 is the port of this HO gateway that is connected to the uh, S console or SMS server for the going the BM netting, and we have choose the BM net 2 for that, allowed the netting over 2. Okay, so that is connected to that. Ether one port we are not using, so I just let it be down. And coming to the Ethernet 2, I just choose this as obtain the automatic IP, because this is in a VMnet 8 I have provided for the connectivity to the branch office gateway. So you can say, if I will edit here, you can say what I have done, just I make the port up and choose the obtained automatically IP here. So it shows it's come up with this IP dot 159.128. Okay, so okay, and the same the SMS we have not done any changes. You can see the Ethernet 0 port is, this is the 1.1 IP is there, and gateway for SMS is a gateway like HO gateway. Okay, so I'm just closing here this one. So we'll go back to a branch PC, the other side, remote side, and my branch PC is connected to the branch gateway. So I have already done the configuration wizard, first time wizard for my branch office gateway. So I will open just the network interface over here so that we can understand. Ethernet 0, that is connected to the branch office PC, and 20.254 I made this IP here, same subnet, and Ethernet 1 I'm going to the VMnet 8 group, and it's showing automatically IP 159.133 IPv4 address automatically. I have just made the port of. Okay, so it will take automatically. So what we will do now, I'm just closing it up. And one more thing, static route, what I have given. See, this is the IP 159.128, that is my HO gateway Ethernet 1 IP, that means the outsider interface IP. So from this gateway, my this branch office gateway, my HO gateway outer interface ETH2 IP will be uh, gateway for my branch office gateway. Okay, so I put it the HO gateway interface IP over there as a gateway IP, as a static route I put it here. The same things, if I'm going into my HO gateway, so I made it over there the uh, branch office ETH port 1 interface IP 159.33. I just shown you in that picture. this IP will be 133 will be the gateway for my head office. Okay, for configuring the static route. So I already put it over there like the same way. Okay, so I'm closing it now. So all the setup is done. So now we will move to the console, and we'll try to open smart dashboard here. So it's opening right now. So where I have opened here the smart dashboard. So right now the for configuring the we have to some things and keep in the mind, like we'll define the encryption domain for the each site, but we have here the one site to site VPN is there. So we will define the firewall workstation object for site, and then configure the firewall workstation objects for the correct encryption domain. What you want the encryption domain to encrypt, or like AES algorithm you can change from there. There is lots of option over there, so I will show you later. And then create the VPN community. So creating the VPN community, we will add the how many gateway involving in this scenario. So we will add in a VPN community over there respective to what we are going to use, like mesh topology, star topology, or some other topology. So you can define over there. So after that, create the necessary encryption rule, and then policy, and then install the policy according to the what you want, what you want to filter, and what you want to deny, what you want to allow, which services you want to going to allow over there. So you can allow, create the policy and install the policy, and then make sure appropriate change to the internal routing to allow the traffic to flow through the firewall across the VPN. So let's get started. So what I will do here, only SMS is showing here, right, by default. So we'll go to the security gateway management, go to the classic mode. First I will create the HO gateway, so we can just edit here the name. We need to put the IP. This is our HO gateway IP. Okay, so first is the SIC. So I've given the previously while I was installing the checkpoint server, sorry, checkpoint software, I put given over the SIC password over there. So I am just putting it. Click on initialize. Let's see. Fail to connect the security gateway. No problem. We will reset the reset is done. Again we will try. It's happened because previously I was created, and this again I have deleted forcefully, so that's why it's showing that error. Let's initialize again. Okay, it's failing. Okay. So I think we need to go on now gateway. So if we config Let's see certificate on authentication. Okay, the internal serial initialized with the following. I want to change. No, I don't want to change. So fingerprint is there. Yeah, fingerprint is also there. Not required. Just going into actual gateway now to verify the things why it's happening. cp config. Okay, so 5 trust established over here. Okay, would like to take reinitialize the communication. What about yes? So it's stopping all the services here. So that it will start. I will pause this video because it will be very lengthy. So the now the I have just creating the gateway and now the trust has been established. Okay, this is the showing the topology. I just verify correct. Okay, no problem. So I can choose now IPSEC VPN also. Okay, the submit later part we will do later. Just we will configure generating the okay. Signature has been generated, so we'll move to now branch office gateway. Branch office gateway 192.168.159.133. Branch office gateway will be providing the this side the ETH1 interface IP that is getting out from the branch office. Their connectivity like branch office PC to branch office gateway with the Ethernet 0 and then Ethernet 1 port is going to the VMnet 8. Okay, so this will be the IP 159.133. Communication, let's see, maybe it will show the same error because previously it was created, I just only deleted. So sometime in the background all things will be created. If graphically will be deleted, it's completely not gone. So that's why it's so error sometime. But I have done the resetting while logging into this gateway. I go over there, I again the reset the SIC. So hopefully let's see. Yeah, again it's came failed to the security gateway. Yes. So let me just try the reset also from here. Oh, I cannot take. Will be the same error. Okay, no problem. We'll fix it. We go to, let's see what the output is coming here. Let it be. It will be fail, I know. So connectivity problem here. So let it close. Yes. So first what I will do here. Keep the policy any and accept it, because the connection is not going to the branch office gateway. That's why it's showing error. Let me see. Policy is getting successful. After that, we will create this one. So policy has been done. Install it successfully. Now we'll move to create the branch office gateway here. Again, going the same way, classic visa. Okay. Initializing and fail to connect. Don't worry, because I have already deleted now directly forcefully, so that's why it's showing. Go to the branch office gateway, login. Same will do what we have done previously. Fifth number. Stuff established, because previously it was established. Now it deleted from the dashboard, so that's why it's showing. So now I want to reinitialize. That's why it's showing error. It is not big deal. Are you sure? Yes. Activation key. Again. I'm going to, now it's resetting this IC. Okay. set complete. It will stop all the process and then start the process. So while doing lots of troubleshooting will be helpful to understanding all the things, because being a network, if you will not identify what error we are getting, why error we are getting, so we cannot troubleshoot, we cannot work on that. So this is the best part. If you are getting the problem, this is the best part. So you will get to know the two to three more things into that. Whenever you are going to involve in one thing, you will see the background with lots of the scenario and theories uh, completed while you are searching. So better for the knowledge. Starting the VPN product now. Little bit it will take time. FWD process. Okay. Done, ready. Go again. Cancel it from here. I don't want to reset now. Wait. So correct. Test again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, got it. Trust established. Okay. Topology, yes. Fine. But you just see here also the topology, what topology it's showing over there. So correct. Multiply. Put it here because we are not in the live scenario, so put it like this. I'm just detecting, not preventing right now. Okay, so panel property, IPSEC VPN select. Okay, put it okay. Signature key generated. We also IPSEC will do for this topology also. We put on detect only. Good, lots of generating. Okay, done. Okay, so I will define here the two main networks, one for view LAN, you can say first for actual LAN. Okay, no problem, anyone. Okay, so 192.168.1.0 is my series, subnet mask 0. Okay, sorry, here is mistaking 68. Okay, netting not required, so I'm not putting into that. .92.168 and network was in 20.0. Okay, 255.0. Okay, netting not required, so not putting here. Two things done. Okay, so what we will do now, we will go into IPSEC VPN. here we will getting remote access and mesh topology like my internet. If you want, we can create the new. Okay, but I'm not gonna create new. I'm just using this one. That will be no problem. You can create your one also. Okay, accept all traffic. Okay, this is a mesh one. I want to change. I can change my name, but let it be right like that. Participating gateway, but here we need to just add, because we have created our gateways, so just add it here. Encryption, we are talking about a lots of encryption method. Algorithmic method is given over there, so you can choose. Okay, but the things will be like what encryption method we are choosing on this side, at the remote side. Other side you have to choose the same algorithm or same. If you are putting some 128 122 sorry 64 bit or 128 bit algorithm version, so you have to put the same to both way to communicate, because if you are not putting, it will show error. That will not happen. So let it be like default now. Okay, so I will go to the community. I can see my two gateways added in VN community. Okay, you can see here it came participant gateway. Gateway, if you want to do something, you can change from here, remove wire or whatever. So yeah, that's it. It has been done. So we'll move to branch office gateway. Just verify. First we'll go to this one, HO gateway. And just we will verify if we'll go to the IPSEC VPN what it came or not. Yes, already. If not added, we can add it. It's already added, no problem. For this one also added. Checked. Yes, added, no problem. So what we will do now, we will come to the install the policy on to access. So I will just create the above one rule. So I will say like HOLAN to BOLAN. Again from BOLAN to HOLAN, right? Services what I am going to allow. ICMP, so that we can ping and check. ICMP protocol. Okay. Remote desktop is here. Yes. Yeah. HTTP we can add HTTPS. Let it be like this. Okay. Action accept log policy should be on both. Here also only one gateway, so I will put bunch of this gateway. Okay. So I will install now the policy. Policy installing. So it will take some time, so I will pause for a few time. Yeah, policy completed successfully. Let's close it. Okay, so what we will just trying to do, let me tell you, going to the branch PC. It's on very slow because previously I have set up the remote desktop connection. So better you will just I will show you here how it's going to set up. So before I have just allowed the desktop, so it's going to the direct page. Okay, so just type remote desktop into that. You can go and allow the remote desktop connection, getting any access to any other network, any other yeah, PC or some out of the network. So what I am going to say, first I have allowed the ICMP, so I will just go to the CMD and I will ping console CP. Console IP is that 1.1 is my SMS server IP and 1.2 is my console. So it's pinging reachable because under services I have allowed the ping ICMP protocol. Okay, because this is not a server, it's client based this window, so I'm not I will be telnet services will be not showing here, otherwise I can telnet directly from here to my console or something, so that you can better understand. But after doing all the things, you will be able to telnet. Use that like 2003 server or something, you will be able to telnet. Okay, because just when I'm opening the services where its telnet is not showing, that's why. So I'm not going more digging into that. So remote desktop I will take in, I will show you. Let's put this simply, this is my the other side branch office, not HO office gateway or HO LAN. This is other side VPN like branch office. So I'm from in the branch office LAN system, and I'm just going to take the remote of my the PC which is connected in branch office. Connect. Yeah, that means connectivity is there. Here I am able to do that. So purpose of this lecture is finished here. Why it's asking for the credential, because I haven't set up any credential to my console PC, but doing the remote for the security purpose you have to put over there. So I have to go back and use some username password, and then I will take remote from here. I will put that username password and I will be able to take that system onto remote. Same work we can do from the my console, the CP connected into head office. So I'm just going to see remote desktop connection. Yes, just put in the PC IP of branch office gateway. 20.1. There is a PC in my branch office gateway. See, you can see. I just randomly given that username. Requested remote computer, this one. Certificate, don't ask me. Let's see what happened. Yes, so I have been taking my branch office PC on remote from my sitting in my actual office. Okay, so I haven't set any password, so let's see. So purpose of our doing these things, side to side VPN is completed over there. Okay, so I hope this is very you can say like easy way to understand. So I hope people enjoy this. Thanks for watching.